Hello, my prepper posse. This is a stick bug. I think it is adorable. It crawled on top of the bus all the way down, and it's sitting on the generator right now. It's fascinating. Stick bug. It's hanging on upside down. I just got home. Boy, I never knew there was so much you could learn about chickens. DWD Jeeps are pulling down some gravel on his land, making more gravel so that he can level out. It's beautiful. Dog's laying down, relaxing. Tank Tank, what a good boy. You're a good boy. Yes, you are. I come home and my girl making me dinner. It's so beautiful. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Oh.
It's my hard-working mama.
Oh, some sweet potato from the oven. Thank you so much. Oh, it's going to be beautiful. Oh, thank you. Alright. It's a beautiful thing. Getting ready to eat dinner. Nobody needs to worry about the land. The land that we have, it's going to be fine. I'm going to hope that after election season we'll see where it goes and what's going on. But I'm not running up there, especially during the winter. And I want to bank cash for the next 3, 4, 5, who knows, till spring. And then we'll make a decision as to whether or not, we find land here. We could find land anywhere, but I just love this state. I'm telling you, this is some beautiful stuff right here. Beautiful. Alright, well, I'm going to go eat dinner. I appreciate all of you. Thank you to my new subscribers. Shout out. As soon as I was going to say, I don't work on the weekends, which is nice too. Nice schedule. So I'll be able to do more going through and seeing who my new subscribers are. But anybody that did subscribe that I saw, I subscribed to you. So you'll know it's me. Anyway, enjoy your evening. Don't forget to play. See you!